Hello creative people, Namaste, welcome to Ankinish Creations. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I converted this plain t-shirt into this cool summery t-shirt. This is the second episode of this series. In first episode, we painted this super cute kids pajama. Hit that like button if you want to see more videos in this series. And now, let's get started. Fold the t-shirt in half to get the center. Now I'm marking 10 centimeters both the side from the center horizontally and 5 centimeters vertically up and down from center, forming a rectangle of 20 by 10 centimeters. It's important to eliminate the wrinkles before painting. It's even better if you do it before all these markings. Insert a cardstock paper to prevent the paint leaking and staining the backside of the t-shirt. We are going to paint the letters using the popsicle stick, one full and other 1 inch long. This will give beautiful texture on fabric. Now I am marking where all the letters would come so that I can get the area to draw the ice cream. So this is the area where we can draw the ice cream. I'm drawing a very basic design of ice cream cone so that it will be very easy to paint on it. Now let's paint our design. Starting with black fabric paint, do not apply paint on stick like this. Dab the paint generously like I am doing here to get that beautiful texture. With the help of markings we made earlier, first we will paint all the 3 letters L, E and V. If you feel that the paint should be more dark in some area, apply more color only to that part of stick and place it again carefully. Add a thin layer of border to complete the letter. Done with the letters, so now let's start painting the ice cream. With this gold fabric paint, I'm going to paint the cone of ice cream. Moving on with the red paint for the first scoop of ice cream. Now mixing white with red to get this pretty pink for second scoop of ice cream. Dab some paint on ice creams to get that realistic look. Finally, going in with yellow fabric paint for the third scoop. Now paint the cherry with the combination of pink and red and give a thin black border to the ice cream. This will bring all the letters and ice cream together to form the beautiful word love. Once the paint has dried completely, let it dry according to the instructions on your fabric paint, and I would recommend hand wash for this hand painted t-shirt. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. There are more t-shirt painting videos on this channel. Check out the links given in the description box. I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative. Please subscribe.